As you enter the Red Fort in Delhi through the Lahori Gate, you may find yourself in the medieval covered market known as the Chat Bazaar or Bazar-e-Musaqqaf, dating back to 1646 and commissioned by Shah Jahan after his visit to Persia. What may not catch your attention are the fading Mughal paintings on the bazaar ceilings and arches, primarily because they were whitewashed during the British occupation, although a few of these have been now teased out by the ASI. Made with natural pigments such as red from ochre, blue from indigo, the original polished white facade was made using powdered form of dried, hard limestone, passed through layers of fine muslin. This powder would then be mixed with jaggery, egg white, powdered mother of pearl, bale fruit and black lentil. Post-coating, the final polishing would be done for weeks on end using pebbles from riverbed. At present, however, these meticulously painted walls suffer from vandalism and cannot be restored since the bazaar still employs hundreds of shopkeepers and ushers in throngs of tourists into the monument daily.